nothing like a hearty bowl of pasta. But who has the time to slow braise the tomato sauce and the meat for the perfect ragu? Well, that's why we've compiled 4 quick and easy recipes that you can make even if you're in a hurry. And then there's one that will take a little time to perfect. Don't swipe or click away, because here are 5 white pasta delicious recipes. Number 5, Fettuccine Alfredo. We're going to be starting off this list with the most versatile white pasta dish, as well as the easiest, Fettuccine Alfredo. Now, some will make it with cream, garlic, and a few tablespoons of oregano, but if you want to try the authentic Italian Alfredo, this is how you do it. You will fill up a pot with water and bring it to a boil. Freshly made pasta is best, but a good quality store-bought pasta is good too. So, while the pasta is cooking, put 5 ounces of unsalted butter and 2.5 ounces of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Then, you add the hot pasta. You top it with another 2.5 ounces of grated Parmesan, and you just toss until the sauce becomes creamy. You can eat it as is, or you can add some chicken, some veggies, some shrimp, basically anything you fancy. Number 4, creamy chicken gnocchi. Again, this is a one-pot recipe that you can make in less than 30 minutes. First up, put some oil in the pan, heat it up, and cook the mushrooms, the garlic, and the onions inside. Once the veggies are fried, remove from the pot. Now add 4 tablespoons of butter and melt it. Then add 1/3 of a cup of flour. Cook off the flour, then add 1.5 cups of chicken stock and 2 cups of milk. Then you add in your spices like oregano, dill, thyme, some cayenne pepper, salt, and regular pepper. As soon as the sauce is ready, you will smash that like button just like you should do if you haven't done so already. But no, in all seriousness, you will take about 2 cups of grilled chicken that's been diced, a full 16-ounce pack of cooked gnocchi, and 2 cups of spinach. After the spinach wilts, you will add 1/3 of a cup of Parmesan, stir it in, and just like that, you've got dinner for the whole family. Number 3, one-pot pasta salad. And before we tell you about that technical recipe we've been talking about, here's a bowl of pasta salad everyone will enjoy. We've already talked about cooking pasta, so now take 400 grams of your favorite shaped pasta and cook it. Place it in a bowl and add some ham. Next up, add a large grated carrot and make sure you squeeze out the excess water. Next up, add a small can of sweet corn. You will also need to chop up some green onions and place them in the same bowl. Separately, mix 2/3 of a cup of garlic aioli, which is mayo with crushed garlic inside, and then add 1/3 of a cup of sour cream. Mix everything together and pour the sauce over the salad. Mix and serve it as a starter or a side dish that everyone will stuff their faces with. Number 2, CACIO e PEPE. This is one of the more complicated recipes on this list. The reason being, the original recipe doesn't use any fat. It's just pasta, grated pecorino cheese, and pasta water. If the pasta and the pasta water are too hot, the sauce will split. If it's too cold, the pasta will not coagulate. So, you have to strike the right temperature. But there's a little cheat code done by an Italian Michelin-starred chef which turns the recipe on its side. First, grate up 2.5 ounces of high-quality pecorino cheese. Then, grate another 5.25 ounces of high-quality Parmesan cheese. Then, measure out a cup of the hot pasta water and put it in a blender. Put the grated cheeses inside and blend. Slowly drizzle in some olive oil, and now transfer the pasta into a hot pan. Pour over the sauce and coat. Simple ingredients for a burst of flavor. Number 1, spaghetti carbonara. If you tell an Italian that you're putting cream in carbonara, he'll slap you. The original carbonara is made with only eggs and Parmesan. If you're making it for 2 people, you add 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk, so it's extra creamy. Then mix in the freshly grated Parmesan and lots of black pepper. But before you do all of this, you have to boil your pasta. While the pasta is in the pot, you will take some guanciale or some pancetta, cut it into cubes, and serve it. Fry it off in some olive oil, and once the bacon and pasta are cooked, you will add the pasta to the bacon. Finally, you will add the eggs and Parmesan mix. You will stir until it creams up, and serve it in a large dish with some grated Parmesan. On a related note, what's your favorite white pasta dish of all time? You can tell us in the comment section below. If you'd like more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of them. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.